What's up, everyone? Alberto here. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to trade around the pound dollar after the UK election announcement, so I thought I'd shoot a quick members update video. The UK's Prime Minister, Theresa May, announced that she will call for a general election on June the 8th. Now, not surprisingly, there are very different views on which way this will affect the market from a fundamental standpoint, but I don't really care. It's way too early to tell, and betting on the market going one way or another around fundamentals and especially an election is purely gambling. What I do care about is what the market will do from a technical perspective and how we can trade it. So let's take a look at GBP USD on the hourly time frame to start with. And we see here that we've clearly had the 50-day moving average cross above the 200-day moving average. The 50-day MA is the red line and the 200-day MA is the green line. So clearly it's crossed up. If you are unsure about how this works and how I use this to spot the trends, then I suggest you go and check out the Trend Spotter Formula video tutorial. There will be a link somewhere around this video. Moving on to the daily time frame, the FX trend scanner identified here a very nice triangle pattern. Okay, technically this would be an ascending triangle. If you're not familiar with triangles and breakouts, I suggest you go check out my Forex Income Accelerator Masterclass. There should be a link somewhere around this video. So we can see here the triangle, and we can see very clearly how we've had a very strong breakout to the upside. Now, so that's a bullish signal. On the chart itself, going back to MetaTrader, okay, let's take a look at the daily time frame. So if you've watched the training on the Trend Spotter Formula, you will see here that we are in a downtrend, i.e. the red line, the 50-day moving average, is below the green line, the 200-day moving average. Now remember, from the triangle, we've had a bullish breakout, okay? Now you can see here how with the election announcement, the price went right through the 200-day moving average, okay? So that may be indicating that the trend is turning. Now, I am going to be very careful here. If we look back just a few weeks, you can see here how we had a very much identical situation. We were in a downtrend. The price breaks above the 200-day moving average very violently, only to, just after, go right down and come back down very, very violently. So let's be careful. So overall, I'm looking at trading this market on the long side. So I'm kind of forming an opinion that the market will go up, but it's still an opinion. I'm not going to trade anything because I want to wait for a few more confirmation signals. As it stands, we've got a bullish triangle, but other than that, the Trend Spotter Formula still tells me that we are in a downtrend. And also, I'm very well aware of what happened just a few months back around the Brexit announcement. So I'm not going to do anything for now. Also, we have a lot of political uncertainty ahead, which may very well turn this movement the other way around. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to this video, to the channel, to the Facebook page, so other people can benefit too. Take care.